Hello everyone, and now we shall continue with Act 1, Scene 3. And this is the most important part because here we are introduced to the main element of the story, which is the bond. Now, up till now, we have read about how Shylock and Antonio, they were having the discussion regarding the amount which Bassanio needed. Shylock was trying to appear very goody-goody, whereas Antonio makes no hesitation. He is not at all hesitant to show his antagonistic feelings towards Shylock, and he tells Shylock that he can give him the money, considering him as an enemy and not as a friend. In reply to which Bassanio says that he only wants the friendship and love of Antonio, which we all know is absolutely false. Now Shylock says, lines 142, "This kindness will I show." That means this is the kindness that I can show to you. "Go with me to a notary, seal me there your single bond." He says, "Fine, I am ready to pay you 3,000 ducats for 3 months. But on one condition, that you will have to come with me to the notary." Notary is the legal officer. And signed a single bond. Single bond means it will only Antonio will sign that bond, not Bassanio. "In a merry sport, if you repay me not on such a day, in such a place, such sum or sums as are expressed in the condition." Now he says that let's play just as just for fun, let's have this bond where you will sign that if you are unable to repay me the bond on a specific day and on a specific time, then let the forfeit be nominated for an equal pound of your fair flesh, to be cut off and taken in what part of your body pleaseth me. He says, according to the conditions of this bond, if you are unable to repay the loan which you will take from me on a specific date, on a specific day, then as a penalty, I will be entitled to get a pound of flesh from any part of your body, to be cut off and taken in what part of your body pleaseth me. He says, I would be entitled to take a pound of flesh from any part of your body which pleases me. Now see, he's trying to appear as if it's just a joke between two friends. He actually does not mean to take that penalty, but just for the sake of fun, they will sign this bond. Antonio, content a faith, I will seal to such a bond, and say there is much kindness in the Jew. Antonio says, fine, it's fine with me. I'm absolutely satisfied with the bond. I do not want any changes, and I will sign this bond, and I will also make sure to tell everyone that the Jew has been very kind to me. Bassanio, you shall not seal such a bond for me. I will rather dwell in my necessity. However, Bassanio is not at all happy with the bond. He does not want to risk his friend's life for his sake, and therefore he absolutely forbids Antonio to sign that bond. He says, I cannot allow you to sign such a bond for my sake. I would rather be in my present necessity. That means I would rather not have the money which I need immediately, but I would not allow you to sign such a bond and endanger your life. Antonio, why? Fear not, man, I will not forfeit it. However, Antonio is absolutely overconfident, and he says that you do not need to fear about my life. Within these 2 months, that's a month before this bond expires, I do expect return of thrice 3 times the value of this bond. Now see, this particular extract that shows the overconfident nature of Antonio. that he is overconfident that his ship will definitely reach the harbor. He will earn huge profit, and he would be able to return the money within 2 months. That is a 1 month before the bond expires. It also shows that he is not at all wise in taking such a decision, because he is not calculating the risk involved in any ship. Now, see, Shylock has earlier talked about the dangers which are associated with any ship. So, but Antonio, even though he is a businessman, he is a merchant, he is not at all prudent and wise here, because he is ignoring all the risks and is overconfident that his ship will reach the harbor safely and he will be able to return the loan. I do expect return of thrice 3 times the value of this bond. He's saying that I would be earning huge profit, which would be at least 3 times the value of this bond. And so there is no problem, because I would be able to repay the loan in time. Shylock, oh Father Abram, what these Christians are, whose own hard dealings teaches them suspect the thoughts of others. Now Shylock is again pretending, and he's like, oh Father Abram, just look at these Christians, how suspicious and doubtful they are. They don't trust anybody. I want to help him, I want to win your friendship, and you are doubting my intentions. Because Bassanio has said, refused, he has told Antonio not to sign the bond. So Shylock is acting that why are you doubting my intentions? Because I just want to help you, because you Christians are so suspicious by nature that you are doubting my intentions. Pray you, tell me this, if he should break his day, what should I gain by the exaction of the forfeiture? He says, you tell me that if suppose by chance Antonio is unable to repay the loan, then what will I gain from this? A pound of man's flesh taken from a man is not so estimable, profitable neither as flesh of muttons, beefs or goats. He says, just think about it. That do you think I'm doing it purposely to trap you or something? He says, this is just for the fun sake I'm doing it. Because what would I get, suppose if your friend is unable to repay the loan? I will be getting only a pound of a man's flesh. A man's flesh which I cannot even sell in the market. Because if you sell the flesh of a goat or a cow, then at least it will earn you some profit. But what will a pound of man's flesh earn for me? So actually it's a business loss for me. But I am only doing it because I want to win your friendship and your love. I say, to buy his favor, I extend this friendship. If he will take it, so if not, adieu. He says, I'm doing it only for the sake of friendship. If you want to take it, you can take it. Otherwise, goodbye. And for my love, I pray you wrong me not. He says, and do not be unjust to me for offering this act of love. He says, don't doubt my intentions and be unfair and unjust to me by doubting my intentions. Antonio, yes, Shylock, I will seal unto this bond. Antonio has already made up his mind that he will sign the bond. Shylock, then meet me forthwith at the notary's, give him direction for this merry bond, and I will go and purse the ducats straight. He says, okay, fine then, you just meet me at the notary where I will get this bond made, and in the meanwhile I will go and bring the money. See to my house left in the fearful guard of an unthrifty knave. He says, I'll just go, bring the money, and also check my house, which I have left under the care of a unthrifty knave. That means a very irresponsible person. Here this irresponsible person is his servant Lancelot, the comic character whom we will read in the next scene. left in the fearful guard of an unthrifty knave, and presently I will be with you. Antonio, hi thee gentle Jew. That means quickly go bring the money. The exit Shylock. The Hebrew will turn Christian. He grows kind. However, you see, Antonio is also not completely understanding the intention of Shylock. He actually thinks that Shylock is turning a little kinder, because he says the Hebrew turns Christian. That means this Jew is finally turning into a Christian, because Jews are supposed to be cruel, and Christians think themselves to be very kind and generous, and therefore he thinks that Shylock is also turning into a Christian because he is being kind. Bassanio, I like not fair terms and a villain's mind. However, here we can say that Bassanio is smarter and a better judge of people than Antonio, because he can see that something is wrong. Because how can a cruel person like Shylock be suddenly becoming so friendly and so loving towards Antonio, whom he hates so much? That is why he says, I don't like a person who has got a villain's mind but who appears to be very friendly. Means the friendly words, the loving words which is offered by Shylock is not acceptable to Bassanio. He is not finding that everything is right. Antonio, come on, in this there can be no this way. Now, however, Antonio, although he is a wise person, but here he has acted quite foolishly. He says, oh, there's nothing to fear. Come on, let's go. My ships come home a month before the door. He is absolutely taken for granted that his ships will reach the harbour safely, and he will make all the profits and return the loan of Shylock, and then everything will be all right. So there is nothing actually to fear. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe the video.